I think especially in the early stages when you cannot find people to work with you, if you have a really strong story, mission and a vision how you're going to change the world, that's how you're going to get the people to work for your company and maybe be able to get that really good developer that get 3 times as more money working for Uber. But if you have a really cool, strong mission that this person believes in, you can find these people. So invest in that story. It's really, really important. That's always a difficult question because the startup culture and scaling culture is different. Keeping the core values alive, making sure that people are also being hired still based on core values and not because they already took a company public, but still doing core value interviews with also really senior people is really important. Actually, try to keep on, what I'm trying to say is don't prioritize individuals over your culture, also when you're growing. So keep that strong culture alive when you're scaling because that creates invisible skill.